Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Poetic Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I have another case for your Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. But before I get into this review, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I have another case for your Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. In today's video, I'll be reviewing the Poetic Guardian MagSafe case for the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. I need to give a shout out to Poetic for sending these cases out to me for a review. You can pick up this case from Amazon. I will have the links in the description. Like we normally do in my reviews, we'll make sure everything lines up. Can you wireless charge? How strong is the MagSafe? Does it have bulk to your phone? Does it protect your phone? Do you get that camera protection and lip protection that you look for? Just the normal things you look for in a case video. I have been using Poetic for years now, and if you haven't tried them out, I highly recommend it. They make some solid cases for many different devices. But nice packaging from them. There you go. You can, if you want to pause that, you can scan it because it tells you how to install it. Follow them on their social media websites there. Designed in the US, made in China. So you get some wipes. So it even has a little tension there. So this one comes without a screen protector, and then they give you one with the built-in screen protector too. So you have a choice. You can pick it without it, or you can do it with. So we're gonna do it without. Y'all already know how these work. And I wouldn't, if you have a screen protector on your phone, I wouldn't recommend this one because the fingerprint scanner may not work as good. You're going to take out the protective film here. Let me get that off. Alright, so the way you want to take this off, again, just kind of get your fingernail in there. If you have fingernails, if you don't, then you're going to struggle like me. But what you want to do is just get your, and start separating it as best as you can. It really works better if you have fingernails. So let me start this. Alright, so once you get it apart, or at least start it, you just want to take it apart like that. Be careful, don't break this. Then you just want to put your phone in like this. And then you can start from the bottom, you can start from the top, and you just kind of work it in. And bam. Now, this does show off the beauty. And look, I got something on the back of it already. But it shows off the beauty of your phone. Look at the lip protection you get from this case here. So if you place it down, you don't have to worry about it scratching up your beautiful screen. The camera protection, you have a lot. I think this is the most I've seen. You have great camera protection back there. You have some grip on the sides too here. And then all the way up there. The volume rockers are nice and tactile. The power button is nice and easy to press. You have a cutout for, or a little port cover for your charging port there. You also have the microphone speaker cutout. Another microphone cutout there. I love how it shows off the beauty of your phone. Poetic logo there. It does add some bulk to your phone. I won't say it's a super heavy case, but you can see that it adds some bulk to it. You have a lot of corner protection too. The overall fit, like I said too, I mean, fits really good. It's not moving. It's a two-piece case. But it adds bulk, but I mean, when you drop your phone, it's not going to come flying out of it, and it will protect it because of the corners. Which I think I might start using this every single day. The next thing you always want to check out is, can your wireless charge and how strong is the magnet? Let's see. So you can wireless charge, and I'm gonna say the magnet is okay. It's not one of the heavy dutiest ones, but I mean, someone laughed at me. They said, "Oh, you just ready to drop your phone?" I'm like, "Hey, I'm doing drop tests and magnet strength tests at the same time." So, I mean, for me, I think it's pretty strong. I don't have a problem with it. Again, I'm not a big Magsafe guy, but I mean, that is pretty strong there. I mean, even if you want to check out accessories, yeah, I mean, the magnet is not a bad. Yeah, it's pretty strong on there. So I don't know. Y'all let me know. Do y'all Android users, do y'all really care about Magsafe? I know iPhone users do. They used to it. I was talking to someone that's been using iPhones for years now, and he was saying that some of the cases, the magnet is not strong, even though I was like, man, that's a pretty good magnet. He actually was like, no, there's other ones out there. But y'all let me know if y'all use Magsafe. So let's just recap it. Overall, let's go over what we like about the case. I love how you get that protection, the lip protection. I love the camera protection on here. I love how it shows off the beauty. The fit is really good. I do like how everything's cut up and it lines up. I'm not a big fan of the charging port covers, but I understand it. I mean, this case is bulky. It does add some bulk to it. Does make it a little bit bigger, but not overwhelming. The magnet is strong for me. You can wireless charge, so it checks off a lot of boxes when you look for a case. If you want to pick this up, I will have the links in the description. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at @ForwardsReviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. Until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.